Tommy gets home to an ungrateful dog after a long day at work. Tommy is an Oriental worker in the unseen business of streets. Oh, it's an old website here from 2009. Long since gone. www.i.do.al. Well, I got the nice flyer for it, so I'm going to keep it. You don't laminate, so it doesn't tear up. Tommy is the no-armed Chinese guy because he is being blindly obedient on the Chinese streets, doing exactly what he was told, brown-nosing. That's what happened when he lost both arms. Wu, his superior, was testing his loyalty and told him to stick that right arm into this wood chipper. And Tommy is obedient. He's blindly obedient. He doesn't think about anything. He stuck the right arm in, fed it into that wood chipper, and it chips up limbs into little bits and pieces, and did that to his arm. And the left arm saw what was going on with the right arm, and it jumped off. It's a wise thing for arms or anything else similar to an arm to do. So Tommy lost both arms in that wood chipper accident. Well, incident. Oh, for the audio folks, I'm feeding my images, my flyers printed out full page into not a wood chipper, a laminator. Laminate looks real good, like nice shiny glossy photos or something. These are photos, if you want to print them out as nice 8x10s. He stuck both arms because Wu told him to into the wood chipper. He stuck the one arm in, the other arm jumped off. And he got a promotion for that. It's the Chinese streets, the unseen business. Unseen business is anything you can't see on the news or in pop culture, songs, movies, but you might see it all around you. That's the streets. Definition of the streets, the unseen business. Anyway, he got the promotion. He's got a lot more responsibilities. He's bossing a whole lot of folks around, having them be blindly obedient to him. And he's come home after a long day of work. It's right after the wood chipper. And he's gone through 2 assistants already in 1 week. Since he's gotten back, because he has those special needs. He needs help in the bathroom and, wiping stuff and all that. And so his arrogant attitude and all that has cost him 2 assistants. So he's got a lot to do by himself, and it's hard to do when you don't have arms. But he pedals that unicycle up and over that hill and then back to his house, and he tosses the wood chipper up on the porch as best he can with no arms. He kind of has to grab his boat with his mouth and throw it. Yeah, that's why he doesn't use his car anymore as much anymore, because yeah, it hurts his teeth to drive, especially if you got to drive a long way. He gets back and he gets up on the porch and he tosses that unicycle through the doggy door. And he hears a yelp. Yes, the dog. His dog. He hit the dog on the other side of the doggy door. He's a very hungry dog at this point. Tommy, he stopped for something to eat at the diner. And a nice waitress there, she picks him up a sandwich to take with him for dinner. Because often when he eats there, either the sandwich or the soup, the other patrons of the diner, they laugh at him. Because, you know, he has to lap up the soup, but they don't always get mustard on it. He has to go at the sandwich in a similar fashion, because he can't use a straw for that. So it's best when he's having a sandwich just to grab one on the go and go back home to that ungrateful dog who's growling at him now because he's not feeding him. He tried to feed him for a while with, remember, check post and 424-229-4140. Be part of the 4th of July Wave of Truth. Make a video of America's Hijacked Lifeline. Say phone records don't lie. Especially when good Americans, firemen, soldiers, policemen are making videos of those hijacked calls. And when phone records are altered by those who are hijacking your call to me. And to who knows else. When they are altering phone records to cover up the fact that they're hijacking those calls. And all of America has video proof of that. Very real stuff here, not my Tommy fun, fictional street, unseen business kind of stuff. When all of America has video proof of that, it's Trump and Hussein's phone game. Yes, I thought it was very bad taste to place someone named Hussein in the highest office in America, just a few years after 9/11. Where we got attacked by a whole lot of Husseins. Flight 93, 911, Flight 93, checking posting 5. Make a video of your attempt to talk to me being hijacked. I'm John Milton Brady. (4260) Eagle Rock Boulevard, Apartment 409, Los Angeles, California. 90065. No certified mail, no non-certified mail about the 93 checks or anything else. My imagery. In over 8 years of asking. Use FedEx, UPS, any private carrier. Make a video of the stuff you're going to send me, the mail, telling me what you believe, or telling me what you think of the 93 checks. Make a video of it first. It's going to be stolen. And include that in your Flight 93 check and posting 5 video. Made with your phone. Of another American's lifeline being hijacked. Post it. Oh, some tear-offs I had. I'll make a mean flyer tear-off kind of thing. The old website, gator.web.officelive.com. Never did any business through that thing. My livelihood is Gator. Never did any business through that business website in the years I had it. Try to call me and see your Gates livelihood as well. You can't reach me, you can't reach a customer. Whatever boring thing you get, phone ringing, busy signal, get to leave a message, I sure don't get it. And yeah, I can't get back to you because I don't get it, and you don't show up on my caller ID. Yeah, the phone record's being altered. With every boring thing you get, phone ringing, busy signal. When you call up a customer, you get that. A customer other than me. Next time you're trying to call a customer and you see that, yeah, that's your Gates likelihood. Make a video for the 4th of July Wave of Truth. And back to Tommy. He shoos the dog away and the dog bites him. Yeah, he can't go to the supermarket on a unicycle and he can't carry back food from the supermarket for himself, much less the dog. So he shoos the dog away. The dog snarls, it barks, it bites his leg. It can't bite his arm. And finally it goes out that door to fend for itself in the mean, cruel world. I'm melting. You get the point with my laminator here. You can print this stuff out as nice photos. That's photo paper there. Print it out and be a part of the 4th of July Wave of Truth. Oh, I got something wrong. Damn it. Oh yeah, I had it on. Messy eater. Come see me. Have Whitwood Trail. It's the only perfect place to build Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. You'll do it in person, yeah. Religious censorship at place of someone named Hussein in the highest office in the land. Just a few years after we got attacked by a whole lot of Husseins. Come see me. Let's get started.